Hi guys! In order to keep my spirits up, because you know why, I went to a talk today that was hosted by the FAN, which is a Fibre Art Network. That is a group of ladies that do quilts and stuff with fibre, and I went to the exhibit there and I actually took some video, and I think you guys would absolutely love seeing all of these fabulous fibre art quilts. So I'm going to take it over to the exhibit right now, and there's obviously I'm not going to put any music behind this, so you're going to hear people talking and stuff. So just have a look at some of the art quilts and let me know what you think of them.
Oh, okay. Now I'm going to have to move my piece over. Sorry. No.
And this was a separate one. I was actually with her just on that. No, I altered it. That's like that. So that's the jacket. And I learned how to do those follow. It was quite easy. And I had to redo the hem on the dress more than once because it was almost, I think it was a full circle skirt and chiffon. So it hangs different. I'm trying to do a hem on.
I was surprised those four people were going to put their hands on this volume of the dead water. Library, audio things. You should have thrown. No, it's only here to the end of July. Yeah, the end of July. And so it's one of our drops, that drops this year. This shows.
Yeah. I think the most fun story was that Jane Dunaway, like, she strikes as, she's turned out, like, she's
very new. How you have different approaching a problem or issue. I will approach it differently, like from my children or my husband or whatever, because what's important within me that drives me in my thought process, the strengths I have.
Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you've enjoyed and got a little bit of inspiration from some of this. I certainly have. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.